Hey, what's up, Chosen One? What is this week's P&L going to be? Yeah, I'm in a different room. Right now. I'm going to sell on NASDAQ because of bearish divergence on 1 hour, 15, and 5 minute. TP is 16,200. 16,200 is my TP. You do got bullish divergence right now too, though. But you got conflicting divergences on the 1 hour. Got my spreadsheet, doing my homework, pre-market, 1 hour, 15, and 5 minute bearish divergences. We got Bitcoin on Market Watch headlines too. Kyle Bass says big money has been made in Bitcoin. This is where investors need to put cash next. Yo, and check this out. This is like the dumbest shit ever. One of the families of a guy who died who helped make Bitcoin is trying to fucking sue Satoshi Nakamoto. He's trying to sue somebody who doesn't exist. So this family thinks they're going to be able to magically sue somebody and unlock Bitcoin's biggest wallet. Greedy ass motherfuckers, right? That family don't deserve shit. Creator of Bitcoin did not want anybody to touch that money. And now you got a family trying to sue an unknown person. Fucking stupid people, VA. Hey, what's up, Aaron? Morning business. Good morning, futures trader and Julian. This is the first official trade on this account. This is a Tradizo account. We deposited $2,000 on Friday. There we go. I'm gonna move some stops. Nice drop. Nice drop. Those divergences are kicking in. Beautiful. I'm break even on this. And if we can get the bell open to spike down, this is gonna be an instant TP. Alright, that bullish divergence failed on the 1 minute. We don't gotta worry about that anymore. If anybody wants this pre-market routine, let me know. I got it linked up. So you check and you do it in order, okay? So your first step is you checking headlines, checking prices, calendars, and all that. So if anybody does want that template, let me know. It helps too. One of the books I read that's behind me, they said check Yahoo Finance first in the morning. Don't check Fox, don't check CNN, check Yahoo Finance. I don't know why, I don't know what the reason was. Oh shit, there's got some bigger bullish divergence now. Egg 'em. Morning, Huey. Boeing has good news today, though. It said stock set for gains, so let's see what happens with US 30. Got 10 seconds. Hope these stocks open down. Yep. Let me move that out of the way. Come on, let's get the open price to spike down. Spike down. So we got to get through this zone now. We got to get through here ASAP. We could do got open price. Keep in mind, open price retest. We know all about the retest. But TP is 16,200. You know what I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to open up Ninja Trader. Forgot to put in a trade on Ninja Trader. I'm gonna scoop 64 there. I don't like that wick. I don't like that fucking wick for the open retest. It might be a buy now. There. It might be a buy. Let's see. If we get more wicks, I'm gonna scalp it up top. And if it goes down, I'm out. Let's see. It might bounce up. It might spike back up. This candle's got a wick though. I'm gonna go for the buy if it wicks. Going for the buy if it wicks. 30 seconds. This is just gonna be a quick scalp right here. TP is gonna be the open. I'm fucking in. I'm in. TP at open. TP at open. If price prints halfway down, I'm out. I'll put a stop halfway up those wicks. This is a scalp. $13 risk for 31, so about 2 hours. Going for a 2-hour trade here. Retest. We know it retests 75 to 80% of the fucking time. So we're not going to be scared to buy. Chosen one, did you enter your buy? Did you enter your buy? Let's go. Come on, let's hit that fucking TP. Let's hit TP at the open. Come on, smash it. Let's go. Let's start the Monday off good. We just need to go up a couple more pips. Hopefully it can get there. Hopefully it can get there. We're going for 2 hours here. We are set at break even. You motherfucker. You fucking cunt. Oh my god, NASDAQ. That was good. Fuck. Whatever. We're good. We're good. God damn it. Fucking cunt. Good morning, Monday. Good morning, Monday. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Open price retest. Alright. Let's add that to our stats. Guys, you're gonna get a glimpse at this spreadsheet. And I'm probably gonna be charging for it. But here it is, let me pull it up. The complete 2021 NASDAQ open retest guide, okay? Retest rate. We go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, this is what I'll show you, okay? October. I'll show you this month's data, okay? October. Did full back testing. 90 fucking percent retest rate in October. Like, come on. That's a market edge, guys. You trade the open, you go for TPs at the open as a 90% market edge. You know, only has a 2% edge, right? Tell me where you can find a 90% edge. So weird. I knew this this headline was kind of suspicious. Stocks set for gains as Boeing order. Oh, really, huh? You just put this headline in to put all the suckers in to put their buys in. All the suckers put their buys in and got owned. Huh. Oh, stocks set for gains. Fuck out of here. What is that? And then they send the market down. No, I'll be on SHIB in 3 years when that shit drops 90%. Well, let's look at some Bitcoin. I might get into some Bitcoin trades. USD, where the hell's it at? So weird, I cannot find BTC. Where the fuck's it at? There it is. Bitcoin is going to be bearish for a little bit. Yeah, I think only took me 10 seconds to do that analysis. What's up, Forex Huxley? You said you finally did it. You took 2 weeks off work to fully focus on leveling up trading. Nice. You spent the morning doing your analysis and then checking the news. Nice. I might have to start checking out gold. I think Bitcoin is a sell right now, so I'm gonna pull up a calculator. Okay, save as template. True. All right. Save. All right. Back to using the calculator. The only way to properly trade. How much do I want to risk? I wouldn't mind risking like 50 bucks on a Bitcoin trade. Or 100, or even 100. Oh, fuck, okay. I can't risk 100 on that. Not enough margin, obviously. That's one good thing about a calculator. It's going to tell you how much margin you're going to need for a trade, so... Risk that? What the... Okay, there we go. I got to have a bigger stop, I guess. Shit, I think Bitcoin might drop as low as like 64K. Hey, good morning, Tony. I guess there's really not much to do on NASDAQ yet. I mean, unless we wait for prices to like go up here or make new lows. What is the market telling us right now? Got a trend line. So that trend line is going to serve as good resistance. You got a touch there, third touch right there. So I guess the only areas we need to be watching is the low and this trend line. Does that make sense, guys? Wait for something to happen off the low or that trend line. I do. Yeah, Forex Husky, I do. We just have not really promoted it. Speaking of groups, I started a new Telegram group. I'm gonna be looking for Bitcoin setups every evening. Let's see, where's it at? Oh, right here. We're gonna call it Rue BTC. So if anybody wants to check that out, I will drop the link here. We'll do a minimum of 2 hour Bitcoin trade setups. It's basically a test group to test my trading ability. I see that I make good calls all the time, but can I make good calls if I'm actually doing it for people? So, the test group. Hopefully it comes out profitable in a month. Yeah, for Forex, I think we'll start doing some kind of community cam on screen sharing live thing. Put more people on. I think there's another guy I saw go live. He has what, Dr. Dollar? I think his name is Dr. Dollar. I saw him. He has different people on his server, or he's live and he has people talking on the server. And your TP already hit. All right, we're about to make new lows. If we make new lows, I'm gonna enter the sell. Let's check this out. Wait. Well, that's gonna be interesting. If it makes new lows, there's gonna be divergence immediately. Yeah, if it makes me hold on, we got you know what we got to do? We got to check Apple. I can't believe I haven't checked Apple yet. Y'all, look at this spread on Apple though for scalping. This is on the 1-minute chart. My first day trading the live account on Tradizo, but look at the spread on this. Let's see, if I wanted to risk 20 bucks on Amazon or Apple, and let's say go for like 100 bucks. You know, that actually looks like a fairly good setup because look, if you know, we see NASDAQ's trying to make new lows, right? Apple might come back and retest the open. That actually might be a good Apple trade. It does have a chance to come down and fill a gap. You got a moving average line down here too. You also got bearish divergence. So, I mean, we got bearish divergence here on Apple. Let's say I'll risk 25. I might put in our first sell on Apple right here and go down for the gap. So how much margin on 14? Yeah, we're gonna put in our first sell. So position size would be telling us a micro lot. Okay, so a micro lot. Hell yeah, Moblin. Yeah, I'm in the fucking sell, so I put in 0.5, right? Yeah. 0.5. All right, we are in the sell on Apple. Oh, my calculator's not showing up. See how this goes. It's either a sell on Apple or a sell on NASDAQ. Choose your poison. N1CM still has lower spread on NASDAQ. NASDAQ spread varies between 14 and 20 pips on Tradizo. So I guess the trade-off is you get lower spreads on the Apple, but you do get higher spreads on NASDAQ. Yeah, what's your spread on Apple, Miles? And then I can double dip. If NASDAQ makes new lows, I can enter a sell on NASDAQ. Keep the Apple sell running. If Apple retests highs, I'm obviously gonna get out of the trade. Fucking consolidation though. I hate when there's consolidation in the first 20 minutes. Hey, good morning, Full Speller. Apple has had trouble getting past 152. It is Monday too. I mean, look at how many times Apple has filled gaps in this area. Like, it's weird now that I actually place a trade on Apple. You look into more shit. But basically, every time it's been in this area, prices came back to retest it on monster gaps too. You see, like 1, 2. It's retested this zone like 12 times. I just counted. This is on a Forex broker, actually, Volkswagen, so it's on margin. I don't know if you have experience with MetaTrader 4, but it's a little different. But yeah, that's a pretty high probability too. Oh yeah, that's the typical one. Oh shit, NASDAQ just made new lows too, so might be time to buckle up on NASDAQ. I'm gonna see how much margin I need for, because I already have 1500 margin locked up. I only have 1 to 100 leverage on this account, so I gotta see. Yeah, I'll pop in a sell on NASDAQ, risk about 20. I'll go for like 80. Position size, margin needed. Okay. Okay, so I'll do 1 mini lot. Put a sell in on 1 mini lot. I mean, it could be a break and a retest too. We could break here, retest here. I could enter. I could wait a second. But you got 1 minute. Yeah. On what? I don't see any on the force index. Which one do you have yours on? The 5 bob. We're in a sell on Apple, and we're about to enter a sell on NASDAQ here in a second. Yeah. I think it's gonna retest. I think this is gonna be a break and retest trade. Give us a kangaroo or something though. This could be the sell right here. Come on, give us a kangaroo tail right above that zone. Kind of a wick. Probably too early to put the sell in now. Yeah, it's too early. Yep. Don't put a sell in yet. Wait. This shit could blast through there too. No, Apple's filling that gap. There's no way. There's a wick. I'm selling. Stop is just going to be right above the zone. And I'll risk 20 on it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Apple 100 MA too. It is Monday too, right? Come on, if this closes as a kangaroo tail, I think it's gonna drop hard. Yeah, basically full spoiler. It is sort of like futures. It's the equivalent of micro E-mini futures. Think of it that way. So micro E-mini futures, you can only get it down to 25 cents a pip. MetaTrader, you can get it down to low as 0.01 cent. All right. NASDAQ is going through that zone. Huh. There must be other stocks on a tear, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna cut my losses short there. The bulls have been unleashed. There must be some news that just came out or something. Like there's gotta be. Let's check some news. There's gotta be news. Stocks rise after China data tops estimates. Did retail sales just come out or something right now? Did some news come out that we didn't even know came out? The fuck? It would have helped if we knew that news, right? My god. What the fuck? Yeah. It would have been nice if we saw that news 4 minutes ago. Jesus Christ. Damn. Did anybody catch that buy based off that news? Literally 4 minutes ago. Yeah, my Apple sell might not be good anymore, but we got a Kangaroo Tail. Got a Kangaroo on Apple. I wonder if there's some kind of custom MetaTrader 4 widget we can install that will give us headlines from like shit like Yahoo. I think that's important. Like, imagine if we just have an indicator on the chart that, you know, when a major headline like this comes out, we see it right away. Because by the time we notice it, I mean, look at that's easy money that we could have made. Lack of fucking information right there. Apple still should be good though. Look at that wick. It really hasn't really moved in 5 minutes, and you got that Kangaroo Tail out. You got a possible trend line. Yeah. Guys, if you're not in a sell on Apple, hell, throw 10 bucks at it, throw 20 bucks at it. You got a simple stop loss. If it breaks the trend line, I'm probably getting out. The leverage, I don't think it's 1 to 100, it's like 1 to 150. Hold on, you know what? Let me ask him. Let me ask the guy right now. His name is Nick. Asking. With regular NASDAQ and Forex, I'm on 1 to 100 leverage. It might be like 1 to 10 leverage for stocks. But I know my regular Forex pairs and indices is 100. I might add some more position on. Trying to see the max margin I can risk right now. What I have. So I can do another 1.5 micro. Okay. We'll do 0.1 though. There we go. Hide lines. Yep. Yeah, Bob, like that. The US 30 news. There was a lot of hype that Boeing was going to spike up. But let me pull up Boeing. They sent Boeing down on a Monday. Pull up Boeing. Wait, no, what? They didn't spike it down. Okay, that makes sense. Boeing had super bullish news because some company bought 2 more airplanes or something. So it wasn't. I wonder what stocks jumped down though. Wow. Yeah, look at that. I'm starting to see the flow. Now we have the Yahoo news right here. Boom, it spiked up, but we were trending down, so now I guess the trend's going to continue, right? Yeah. What kind of news does MetaTrader 4 even provide? I click on the news tab. Huh. Oh, yep. Yep, Bob. You're ahead of the herd right there. Just with that. They got one. I wonder if Yahoo has like an API that will send headlines directly to us. Damn, I wish I had more money in my account to enter more trade because my margin's almost maxed out right now. I would definitely drop another sell on NASDAQ right now, but I'm in 2 sells on Apple, and that has eaten up a lot of my margin. Oh, here we go. If I wanted that, I'd have to pay Yahoo. I'd have to pay Yahoo. Wow, that's pretty cheap. They're selling their API for just $9.99. That's pretty cheap. And then you just hire a MT4 programmer to connect that shit. Like, imagine just text line up on the screen right now. Whenever a headline comes up, it just pops up. We get some kind of cool sound alert popping in. Like, if big news happens, I want that shit to say here. See, I'd want to see some visual context. Like, imagine you're just trading and you got the headline that just pops up on the chart. Apple's definitely going to hit TP. Positive thinking gets positive results, right? Hell yeah, Miles. Yeah, Apple is pretty slow. Apple is like watching paint dry. I mean, TP is gonna hit eventually. No doubt about it. But it's just gonna take a while. Oh, yep. There's actually a lot. You have one right here. Actually, that's not an official one, but one right there. One right here. Now, judging by that, I actually got a very, very, very late entry. This divergence popped up on this candle here. Apple is so fucking pure though, like we've watched it for so long. Oh, look at that. There we go. Nice candle. Nice candle. Let's go. Of course I celebrate and there's a fucking green candle. Don't celebrate too early. That's a mistake. Yo, I dropped another video yesterday if anybody saw it. It was a Mamba FX Exposed Part 2 video. You guys might need to grab popcorn for that one. Right here. Mamba FX Scam Exposed Part 2. What you need to hear. Oh, by the way, guys, if you click this video, hey, you only see this here. Do not click this fucking link right here. Do not click this, okay? This is a troll link. Do not fucking click it. If you click it, you're gonna get rickrolled and you'll probably have to turn your computer off, okay? Don't click this. If you see accept, do not click this. You're gonna say no controls on this video, you have no control over this situation. Some people are gonna turn their computer off, but they're not gonna realize you just click off it. So don't get rickrolled. But yo, at the end of this video, guys, you're gonna be surprised because we caught him. You know, last video I did, we're exposing him stealing signals, and then after that video, we found a video, and he had his fucking signal app on his phone. So we're like, you were just accused of stealing his signals. Why do you have his fucking signals app on your phone? Like, if you put the two together, if you're selling signals, why do you got another YouTuber's signal app on your phone? After you were just fucking accused of stealing his signals. Makes no sense. The industry of scamming is real, guys. People fall for it. People fall for it. Check out some Fox News. Super Bowl week to feature Madden NFL tournament. Damn, I haven't played Madden long. Yeah, trust on Signal, Miles. Yep, Joe, for sure. And I wasn't an asshole in that video too. I kept it professional. I dropped one F-bomb in the whole video, if you could believe it. The video is strictly about showing facts, not lemon. Elon Musk slams Bernie. Damn, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos own more wealth than the bottom 40% in this country. That level of greed. I don't think it's immoral. Greed is fucking good. Like that movie, right? Greed is good. Why not, right? You're only here for so long. Why not? Try to get the most you can get. But don't fucking scam people. Don't scam people. I don't know about you, but who doesn't? Who here doesn't want to be a millionaire? This is taking forever. Wow, Bitcoin took a dump though. I put in a Bitcoin trade last night. I had a 1 minute setup. On the 5 minute. Yeah, there was a bullish flag last night. Had bullish divergence. So I went ahead and entered a trade right here. Had a TP at the top of the flag. And then after it stopped everyone. After the fact it stopped everyone, it did go up to my target. So I'm like, of course, you know. That was unlucky right there, but now Bitcoin's tanking right now. It's not good. That's not good. We have to be bullish today. Damn. If Bitcoin is not bullish this week, it's not going to hit 100K this year. Instead, it'll be much, much lower. I will tell you one thing, okay? It is a fucking fact that this is not the top of Bitcoin's run. There's going to be, when it's the top, it's going to be some kind of wild wiki candle. Once that last wiki candle comes, it's time to get the fuck out. Because the hard drop is coming. I will tell you this thing, okay? Bitcoin, it's not unrealistic to expect a drop all the way down to 40,000. Okay, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin drops to 40,000. So I believe it will drop to 40 to 50,000, but I don't believe it is at the top yet. Historically, our best clue to what crypto is going to do is going back to the week of November 9th, 2017. By the way, yesterday I found out you can add your oscillator on TradingView directly to the chart. It's not going to be in a separate panel. So you can basically have the oscillator on the chart right away. So right there, I mean, you can see there's easy bullish divergence, right? I mean, it makes it so much quicker. Yeah. There has not been daily bullish divergence on Bitcoin this week yet. But if we draw a box from November 8th to November 16th, we get this kind of movement. So keep that picture in mind. We zoom to right now. So here we got the same kind of thing, right? We know Bitcoin is get a breakthrough here. Only problem is this last move up may be the last move of the year, honestly. Well, this could be it, guys, right here. And the drop all the way down to 40,000. Yeah, come on, Apple. Let's fucking go, Apple. We're almost there. We just need one more spurt down. Bitcoin 200 WMA heat map though. It shows we're not at that last peak. We're still like in this stage. We have not reached in the red area yet in this cycle. So if I get out too early, I'm gonna fuck up on some profits that could potentially cost me $100,000 or more. Yeah. I feel you, Miles. There's some bullish divergence. Yeah, Miles, it might be a good close. You might have closed right at the perfect time. I'm gonna keep holding it though. I think this wick is serving as resistance. You got that 100 MA up there too. And it just crossed it. Plus you got the gap. I'm gonna put my TP right at 150 actually. A nice fat even number. I know there's people having fill orders right there. I know there is. So my TP is 150. So let's see if these bears can tip that market. Nice fat even number. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty torturous though. Yeah, earlier too, I said I wish I could enter more trades on NASDAQ. Shit, there's a kangaroo though. Okay, hold on. Wait, since I'm in profit, I got more margin. Okay. Damn it, right now is a good sell for NASDAQ right now, guys. I don't got enough margin to enter a trade. But if I could, I would enter right now. If I would, I could. But such a small stop loss too. Your stop loss right above the tail. You could go for at least 2 Rs. By the way, that was the Fibonacci tool. I don't use the, I customize the Fibonacci to show risk to reward. So here you got stop loss line entry, 1R, 2R. Y'all, I will be right back. Gotta go have a bathroom break real quick. All right. Damn, this should reverse. NASDAQ consolidated? Fake out on Apple? I think we're going down. Oh yeah, that is going down. Finally get a hit TP. Oh yeah. Very nice. It's gotta fill the gap every time. It's gotta fill the gap. Let's fucking go. Good morning, Victoria. You said, where is Tesla's next support level? Let's see while Apple is going down. Well, Tesla doesn't look like it's going to be filling the gap today. Next support level for Tesla is right here on this gap. 900. Tesla's headed down to 900 if that zone breaks. Alright, Apple needs to make new lows now. $150.27 is the low of the day for Apple. Hey, YouTube. That makes sense why Apple dumped right there. There was a bearish divergence down there. Yeah, look at that. Bearish divergence popped up on that. Come on, new lows of the day. Let's go. Take some. Yep. Taking forever. Come on, Apple. Quit bouncing. Make up your fucking mind. And just dump. This is pretty brutal, just waiting. I wonder what was my total risking? And if I would have got an entry on these wicks, I would have had a stop just right above that last wick. I think the problem here is we got a late entry. Our trade would have already been over because we would have been quite happy with ours. Let's add more R's on this. 7 BR. Yeah, with an ideal entry, you could have been up about 5 R's already. Dead, we're only up like 2. But now that we're going to be trading Apple a lot more, we'll maximize entries. There's probably no reason to max out your margin too. Risk as much as possible to make as much. No, Apple has a hourly Kangaroo Tail too right now. Fuck. Apple's probably gonna come down way down here today though. Big move. Trading stock isn't a cheap man's game. If you want the big gains, you gotta have a lot of margin. Yeah, I would have made more of an interest to call on that. Sure. Damn, check out what happened to that trade I closed up here. Like NASDAQ's gonna start heading back up. For the best setup is within the first 5 minutes of the open. It's taking long. I'll probably get a hop off stream here in minutes. Yeah, man, I did want to sell Bitcoin. Sell some profits on that for sure. Yeah, we could have made a lot on Bitcoin. That shit dropped. Come on, Apple, just hit our TP so we got a good highlight. There we go. Finally, it's gonna make a close. It would be nice. New lows, right? Come on, give us some news, Apple. Let us know one of your CEOs dropped their phone and broke that shit. I'll make my own fog machine. Come on, Apple. I will stay on stream until this fucking TP is hit. When this TP is hit, guys, we'll get off stream. I'll close at $57 profit and book a $100 day. So I need 12 more dollars. We'll book a $100 day if we get there. It's trying so hard. It's trying so hard. Okay. We've been, how long have we been waiting for TP? Let's see. 41 minutes trying to get past here. This is called sitting on your hands, guys. This trading strategy is called sitting on your hands. I have a target, and that's what I'm going for. If I'm trying to shoot a deer, I'm not going to be trying to shoot over its back, right? I want to shoot it right in the fucking heart. Alright, I don't want to keep staring at this. I want to play some Warzone or something. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Guys, I'm just gonna hop off the stream now. I'll update on Telegram. It hits TP. Right before it hits TP, I'll click record on it. That way I can still get the flip. So y'all, I'm up. We're up $80 right now running. That could change though. Going for $100 profit. Of course it's gonna break. Of course it's gonna break. Alright y'all, let's get back to it tomorrow morning. We ran out of margin, so we cannot do any more fucking positions. Drop, motherfucker! Fucking drop!
Think about